And then it was reported in NST that levies collected, billions of levies collected, 3.3 billion worth of levies collected from employers that's meant to be trained. Since when did HRD Corp become an investment institution, investing into dangerous investments that is not what it's for? There you go. Again, mismanagement of training grants that is meant for companies to reskill their employees, and you are continuously doing that. This is wrong. What are we doing? What's the CEO of HRDF saying about all this over here? Is the investigation going to be brought up more and highlighting more individuals that will get in trouble? Ladies and gentlemen, speak up and voice up. It's our money. It's our money needing to be reskilling Malaysians for the right things. I'm Ernie Chan from Portman Education, and I'll see you soon.